I'll show you now how to use Advisera's free ISO 27001 conversion tool that you can use to map the controls from the old 2013 revision to the controls in the latest 2022 revision. Once you open this conversion tool page, you will see that it has a very simple user interface. So you basically, from this drop-down menu, simply select the control from the old revision. So let's say that you want to see how the A.6.1.1 converts into a new control. So this is, you simply click it and the tool will tell you how it converts. So the old control is here and the new control is here. Okay, so very simple. Now you can also search if you're not sure what the control number is. So you simply go here and let's say write backup and it will show the control for backup. And again, it will automatically show you the new control from the 2022 revision of the standard. Now, you'll notice that there are a couple of variations of how these controls are converted from all the old ones to the new ones. So for example, if you go for, let's say, segregation of duties, you will notice that actually the control name stays the same, right? So it's the same in the old and the new revision, only the ID of the control has changed. Okay, so this is, let's say, one variation. Another variation is, let me show you another example, let's say teleworking. In this case, the control name has changed, right? So it goes from teleworking to remote working. So a little bit of a more modern, I would say, expression for the same thing. So the control is basically the same. It doesn't really change much, but the naming actually here is a little bit different. And the third variation is really where you actually have, let me show you something else. So let's say this 5.1.1 policies for information security. Here you will notice that actually that two controls from the old revision have merged into one control in the new revision. So it was previously policies for information security and the review of policies of information security now becomes only one control, policies for information security. And this one control actually covers not only the policies, but also their review. And therefore this text of this new control is slightly changed or actually appended when compared to the old revision. Now, how did we build this tool? We simply took the mapping document from ISO 27002, which shows exactly how the old controls actually are mapping to the new ones. And we built this logic into this tool that you are seeing here. And this conversion tool is intended for companies that already implemented the old 2013 revision of the standard and that want to transition to this latest 2022 revision. And of course, the biggest benefit here is that you can find out very quickly how these old controls map to the new ones so that you don't have to browse through the standards or through the internet. This is a very simple tool that you can use for any of these controls. And you can find this tool on Advisera's website by clicking free resources and then templates and tools and finally ISO 27001, or simply by clicking the link in the description below, it takes you directly to this conversion tool. Hope this was helpful, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel not to miss any of my new videos on cybersecurity compliance. Thanks for watching.